Hey everybody, Eran here, doing a quick video. If you're here to learn about how to create a link in the bio for Instagram, this is definitely the video for you. This won't be long. I'll keep it very short and to the point just to show you this website. This is called Linktree, I guess you could say it like that. And look, you sign up for free. I'll leave the link below in the description. All you gotta do is just sign up. I don't get any credit for it. There's no commission or anything. It's just pure help. Okay, so if you've got an Instagram account, let me just move my face. So you'll see here my link in the bio, and it's very simple. So you can actually go and, oops, sorry. Okay, so you can actually go here and click Add New Button and Link, and then you can create literally a new link. And I'll show you the little features. First of all, this is the link that you'll have in the bio right here. Now you can turn it on, turn it off. Okay, so I can turn this off and not have it show, and I can turn it back on as well. So in this case, you'll see that this, I want to turn it on, but it's going to be yellow because there's no link yet. So let's just say I want to use this to send them to, okay, let's see a website here. This is right. So I want to send them to my bookstore. I literally enter the URL. I click this, enter the URL, title, check out my bookstore. Now here you've got different options. So number one, you've got this little thing. If you just put your mouse next to it, it will actually tell you what it is. Well, it did yesterday at least. Oh yeah, you click it and it will tell you link thumbnail. So if you want to have a thumbnail, you can go to Pro. Now here is something else. So you can link Pro, you can highlight your most important links with priority links. This is, you can change it so it appear and disappear at specific times. This is statistics to see how many times it's been clicked. And you can see a breakdown on the Pro, okay? Let's just see something, because I just did this yesterday, right? So anyway, and this is to delete it, right? So if you want to delete it, now here you can obviously turn it off, and you'll see that it should actually disappear from here. There you go, it disappears. And you turn it back on, and it will, you see that it will appear. Give it a second. There you go. Now, this is like the visual of the phone, so you can actually scroll down to see what it will look like. Now, if you want to change color as well, you go to settings. And you can actually change colors. So you can make it black, or, yeah, there you go. Or you can make it this color or the green color, whatever color you want to choose. I'm just going to have an Instagram color type thing. And then you can also have extra themes, but you have to have the Pro, okay? Now, what is the Pro? First of all, there's some notifications here as well, different features and updates. This is a support. It will take you straight to support as well if you've got questions, okay? Let me show you. Sorry, I've got a lot of tabs open, as you can see. It's taking too long. Anyway, there's support there, so it's pretty helpful, okay? And then Pro, you can actually get the Pro, and that will get rid of the, here there's a Linktree, promotion, so you can actually get rid of it if you actually use and subscribe for the Pro. I think it's $6 a month at this point. Also here, you can always click here and you actually get questions answered. There's an intercom as well. There you go. So the free version, let me just show you what it includes. I've got the free version. basic functionality, and it's free, and it's not actually moving up for some reason. And then this is $6 a month. But the free basically gives you unlimited links and so on, so that's not a problem. Here you just get a lot more analytics, a few more customizations, a few more ability to actually see numbers, stuff like that. So it's pretty handy. It's pretty handy. There you go. It's all coming up. You'll be able to see my face again. Hi. So there you go. So get unlimited links, see the total number of times each link was clicked, pick from a selection of Linktree themes, and here you get quickly priority support, capture your visitor email addresses and email addresses, more Linktree themes, remove Linktree branding, see day-to-day breakdown, complete customization, highlight your most important links, change the title of your Linktree, time your links to go live with scheduled posts, retarget your Linktree visitors on Facebook and Instagram by adding your Facebook pixel ID. That's very valuable if you're doing paid advertising. That's extremely valuable. Add a beautiful background image, give access to your team to manage your Linktree and links, show traffic as social in Google Analytics, and so on. So there you go. Definitely, there's a lot of value in that, especially if you're doing paid advertising, because it will retarget, and that's very, very important. So there you go. Just a little tutorial on the value of using Linktree if you're doing Instagram in any way. You have a few things you want to share. I did one little cheeky thing also. I can share it with you. It says here something about collecting email addresses. I actually do that, I think, right here, subscribe to my list. So somebody can click that and they will take them to my website, which is the one right here. And this should be mobile friendly, so it will work just fine. And it will actually subscribe into my list as well. So there you go. Hopefully that helps you if you're using Instagram. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe for more. And, there's going to be some red button there. And otherwise, let me know if you have any questions. And if you subscribe to my channel, there'll be more. I'll put up regular content and so on. Okay, thanks for joining in. Bye.